Hi guys, this is Hong Fei. Today is 19th of November and the time now is 2:13 a.m. So I'm going to teach you how to use Edrawing and let you know what is Edrawing all about. So what is Edrawing? Edrawing is generally more suitable for SolidWorks application, but it is now also extended to CATIA, Pro Engineering, and also Inventor, all kind of CAD software. So what is Edrawing? Edrawing is generally can be considered as a 3D CAD viewer. That means you draw your CAD file in the CAD software like CATIA or SolidWorks or Pro Engineer, and then instead of saving those files in the extension of the software itself, you save it as a Edrawing file. And what is the advantage of doing that? Now the Edrawing file having much smaller size compared to those CAD files, so it is easier for us to exchange data with our colleagues. Furthermore, Edrawing software is very small, so it allows anyone without the CAD software in their computer to install this smaller software that does not consume much space in their computer, so that they can also view the 3D data. What about in the case that you do not have the Edrawing software installed at your computer? For example, you are using a computer in a cyber cafe. We are not to worry about that. Edrawing get it solved at all, because you can save Edrawing as a .exe file, meaning that even without the Edrawing viewer installed in the computer, you can still open the Edrawing file and look at the 3D data as it was in the CATIA or SolidWorks or Pro Engineers. So let's not waste any time and teach you how to install it and demonstrate to you how to use it. Now, if you go to a website and just click Google, use the Edrawing keywords and then click this, download Edrawing. It will be brought to the website like this. Just select the Edrawing publisher for CATIA V5. If you do not have CATIA installed in your computer and you do not intend to install, you just click this, is Edrawing viewer only. So let's say I chose this and then I click next. I will be brought to this website, which I will have to fill in all the details. The main detail is the email only. Just put in your email and the rest you just simply put in anything. And then click download. The file is about 60 megabytes. After you install it, you will have to take the registration code for 50 days trial, which is sufficient for our use for the GDC competition. This is because Edrawing is not a free software. The company will send you an email that look like this. After you install it, then you can start using it. So let's look into CATIA now. Now, for example, I have drawn a key in CATIA. Usually, what I will do is I will save this as a CATIA file like this. This is a file that I have already saved, which is in the CAD part extension. Now, if you notice that after you install the Edrawing, you will have this extra extension over here. So how do I save this file into Edrawing? I just click this, Edrawing, and then you will convert. It will open up a Edrawing file, Windows. Now in this window, you can see the key as in the CATIA. What can you do in this Edrawing? You can zoom in, zoom out as it was in the CATIA by rolling your mouse, and then by clicking the middle button and hold it, you can rotate the component, and you can select all kind of view if you want to. And if you want to take some measurement, let's say you want to know what is the radius of this fillet here, click measurement and just select, oh, it's 0.4 cm in diameter. And for example, you want to look at the cross section of the file, cross section, and maybe you want to look at the Z cross section, X plan, whatever you want. And if you just want to have a quick nice view, just click play, and the Edrawing will automatically play the file for you. Alright, now if you notice that the extension here is still key.esm, which is the extension for Edrawing file. A typical Edrawing file icon will be look like this. This is the Edrawing file. This is a CATIA file. Now, if I want to save the file into the .exe extension, I will have to click File, Save As, and choose .exe. And make sure you enable the measurement and allow XDL export. And then choose any location you want and click Save. In this case, I already saved it at here. So let's close it. Now let's compare the file size of the Edrawing file. The original key CATIA file has 576 kilobytes. What about the Edrawing? It's 10 kilobytes, so it's very small. But however, if you want to save it as .exe, which is this one, the file size becomes larger, 3.84 megabytes. But if you save it as .exe, you allow the user to view it even without installing the Edrawing viewer at all. So that's all for Edrawing. Hope you enjoy to use it. Thank you and goodbye.